Today we are going to learn three essential file system commands: mkdir, remove directory, and touch. mkdir stands for make directory. It's used to create new folders. mkdir my folder. This command creates a folder which is called my folder in your current directory. If you want to create nested directories, use the -p flag. mkdir -p, the parent directory, then child and grandchild. This creates the full path even if the parent folders don't exist. Let's try to create nested folders without -p. This results in an error. Next up is rmdir, which is short for remove directory. It deletes empty directories. The command is rmdir my folder name. This works only if my folder is empty. If it contains files, you will get an error. To delete non-empty directories, you need rm-r. This -r is for recursive operation, but be careful, it's a permanent deletion. If you want to force delete a directory, you can do so by rm-rf. F is for force deletion. The touch command is used to create empty files or update timestamps of existing files. So touch file.txt. If file.txt does not exist, it is created. If it does exist, its modified time is updated. Touch file 1.txt, file 2.txt. You can even create multiple files at once. This is great for testing or initializing scripts that expect files. A quick recap: mkdir is to make folders, rmdir is to delete empty ones, and touch is to create files.